Today, I'm going to show you how to redeem and install the memory license into Keysight 34465A after rehosting. By now, you should have your e-certificate ready. Follow the instructions at the bottom of the certificate to redeem your license. Now let me guide you through it. First, log into Keysight's licensing website at www.keysight.com, find Software Manager. If this is your first time, you will need to register your email. After logging into Keysight Software Manager, you will need to add a new certificate. Fill in the order number and certificate number, which can be found from the top of your certificate. Just copy them in, click Continue, and then Add Certificate. Now you can request a new license here. Click here to add a new host. Enter the model and serial number of your unit, separated with only a comma, no space or other special characters. These numbers can be found at the rear panel of the unit. Next, select the licenses to be assigned to the unit. We want only the 2M memory license. Click Assign Licenses. You can now see from here the licenses that you have assigned. If this is correct, let us continue. Here you key in the email address you want the license to be sent to and then submit. Then it's done. Check your email for the license and let's move on to installing the license into the unit. Now that you have the license sent to your email, download it and copy it into a USB drive. Insert the USB drive into the USB port on the front panel of the DMM. Press Shift and then Utility. Select Test Admin and Install License. Use the arrow keys here to select the license file under External, then press Select. A message will then appear on the front display saying License installed successfully. Now just to double check, press Shift, Help, About. Here you can see that the 2M memory license is now successfully installed. So this is how you can redeem and install any licenses into your unit after the rehosting procedure.